it's an honor to have you over the stage, and I'm pretty sure all the recipients of these awards will be very glad to receive the prestigious awards. I would now take the privilege to announce the first awardee of the evening. Couture named J.D. Couture, wherein she has amazing outfits from across the world, shining people, ladies from across the nation. Yes, the fashion designer of the year, Judith Barnes, is right here. Huge round of applause. Congratulations, Judith. You truly deserve this appreciation. Your smile says it all. Let's have a moment to capture. I would now announce the next awardee of the evening. Under the Industrialist category, Milestone Global Awards for the Best Industrialist of the Year goes to none other than Nehal Shah, the Executive Director for Allied Digital Services Limited in the realm of global IT services. Allied Digital Services Limited stand out as a beacon of success led by the visionary Mr. Nehal Shah. As the Executive Director, his journey reflects dedication, expertise, and a commitment to excellence. Mr. Nehal Shah, a seasoned professional with over 15 years of experience and academic background in engineering and computer technology, is my next awardee of the year. All the way from India, this award goes to Shri Shivam Verma, the IAS officer, Managing Director of Atal Indore City Transport Services Limited. Dr. Yogini Alka Gupta ji from Thailand. Healthcare and Wellness is her category, and Milestone Global Awards really appreciates your contribution. Dr. Gupta is practicing Indian traditional medicine since more than 2 decades. Oh God, it's 20 years already. As a gold medalist, also awarded by the ex-President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. She has organized more than 5,000 health workshops, talks and retreats of Ayurveda awardee by numerous awards. I would invite Mr. Yam Shrestraputra to please come over the stage. Thank you so much for making this evening so happening. We're so happy to see all the bright lights here, and the credit goes to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being with us. Thank you so much for organizing and executing this so well. Can we have some huge round of applause for all these achievers who've been excelling in their own fields at all times? Milestone Global Awards appreciates all your efforts at all times. Keep doing the good work. Huge round of applause for Mr. Yam Shrestraputra. Wow, that's a moment to capture when you're honored for something that you've been doing since long. I would now announce and request my next awardee of the evening to please come over the stage, who's been the hospitality expert, Nunlafis Viknovakrit, is Milestone Global Awards under the category of Hospitality and Management. Huge round of applause for Nunlafis Viknovakrit. Huge round of applause for this beautiful awardee of the evening. Lady in black, smiling bright. Thank you so much for making this so happening, for all the amazing hospitality that you've been giving us. Lovely audience, where are the claps? Can we have some huge round of applause for this beautiful lady with bright smile, dressed in black, rocking the ramp. Here you go, actress. Thank you so much for doing this all so well. I would now take the privilege to announce my next awardee of the evening. International designer all the way from India, who has done shows in more than 17 countries, Mr. Jaydeep. Jaydeep from India, international fashion designer, is right here. Can we have some huge round of applause for this handsome man on the floor? Milestone Global Awards is so happy to have you today with us, and we really admire all the contribution you've been doing in your field. The most beautiful princess sitting in this room. I am going to announce the Model of the Year award, which goes to Olivia. Can we have huge round of applause with this beautiful lady dressed in green gown, Olivia. Medical term says she's Down syndrome, but she never gets down. Strongest lady, courageous lady in the room, Olivia Depora from USA. Model of the Year awarded by Milestone Global Awards. Her mom's smile is saying it right. Good work done, Vicky. You have made this happen. Huge round of applause for Olivia. We can't actually miss this lady. She's been doing great work at all times. And whenever I talk about Olivia, I get goosebumps. That great she is. Designer of the Year by Milestone Global Awards 2024. Designer of the Year for Milestone Global Awards 2024 goes to Butterfly Designers. Here's the designer of the year, dressed in his black amazing coat, rocking the ramp. Oh wow, I'm already falling in love with her coat. Huge round of applause for the designer of the year. Here's the designer of the year. Smile bright, you're getting a moment to capture forever. Lovely audience, we'll have good food tonight. Can we exhaust ourselves by clapping, please? Huge round of applause for the designer of the year. I would now announce beautiful awardee for the evening, who's going to be recognized on this international platform for Milestone Global Awards under the category of Fashion and Lifestyle, Ayaka Saikawa from Japan. Huge round of applause for Ayaka Saikawa from Japan. Oh my God. She is defining fashion and lifestyle over the stage. Ayaka Saikawa from Japan. Ayaka Saikawa from Japan. Receiving the prestigious